Georgia homeowners, I'm making this video to save you from chucking the truck. With all the strong pop-up storms we've had, homeowners should be cautious when any roofer comes knocking at their door. Since it's so easy for people to claim themselves as a roofing contractor, it's easy for hardworking homeowners to be overpromised and underdelivered. So I invite you to do a little bit of research on our company at Fraser Roofing to see for yourself why thousands of homeowners have trusted us with their roofs and have given us 5-star reviews. Our roof inspections are complete through honest and ethical practices, unlike some companies who only care about filing a claim. Every roof is completed with quality products and professional installation, guaranteeing that your roof will last for years and your peace of mind can rest assured. This is a no-pressure video for you to do business with us. It's more of a welcome video. If you're looking for an honest roofing contractor that you can trust with your beautiful home, consider Fraser Roofing. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.